Hello there, my name is Trey Suiter. I am with Cohort 36 of Nashville Software School, and the name of my application is NetBuddy. What NetBuddy allows you to do is save as well as recall configurations of Cisco devices. In addition to being a student at Nashville Software School, I am also a student at Nashville State for networking, and I was needing a way to save my configurations at my home lab for different networking scenarios that I perform. So that was the inspiration for NetBuddy. This is how it works. Currently, we are logged in as a user. As you can see, we have got one configuration saved. That is our base configuration with a loopback interface configured. And what a loopback interface is, it's just a dummy network interface. It allows us to set up a test interface before we bring a live one up, just to make sure it's not going to interfere with our network. If I go over here to the Router Show Commands tab, I am going to click our Show IP Interface Brief button. That is going to show me what interfaces are currently configured, and these should just be our physical ones, and they are. Now I'm going to go back over to the Router Config tab. I am going to click on Base Config with Loopback, and we can see this is the configuration that we are about to load. We are going to load this via TFTP. And what's going to happen is that it is going to send a command string to the router, which will then perform a TFT command to copy the configuration on the TFTP server over to the router. And as you can see at the top, base config with loopback has been loaded. It also gives us another readout just so we can make sure that that is the correct information. Now we go over to the Router Show commands, and we should be able to see our new interface populated. So I'm going to hit Show IP Interface Brief. And in addition to the physical interfaces, we should also see our loopback interface configured. And sure enough, there we go. Loopback 0 with an IP address of 172.16.220. In addition to being able to save and recall the configurations, you can also edit the configurations and delete the configurations. And you can go over here to the home screen and just see the status of your home network. You can see if the router is online, the TFTP server is online, and you can also see your Secure Shell admin password and as well as username. And that is it for NetBuddy. I'd like to thank you for checking it out. I'd also really like to send a special thanks out to Kirk Byers, who is the creator of the NetMiko library, which made NetBuddy possible. That's how the Secure Shell connection is made with the router, and it allows me to send the commands to the router and save and recall the configurations. That's it for me. Hope you're staying safe out there. Take care.